Start with the basics. Atoms are the incredibly tiny particles that make up everything around us. Imagine them as the building blocks of all substances. Each element on the periodic table is made of just one type of atom, and there are 92 naturally occurring elements, each with its own unique properties like size or mass. For example, gold, potassium, carbon, and hydrogen are all elements. You can't break an element down into anything simpler. The periodic table groups these elements together based on their properties, making it easier to understand how they relate to one another. The chemical symbol for each element is universal, so no matter where you are in the world, O always stands for oxygen and Na for sodium. Now let's talk about molecules and compounds. A molecule forms when atoms bond together. Sometimes these atoms are all the same type like an oxygen gas, but often they're different types, which creates a compound. Compounds are made of two or more different atoms joined together, and they can be broken down into simpler substances. For example, water is a compound made from two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. What's fascinating is that compounds have properties very different from the elements that make them up. Silver compounds, for instance, can be yellow or white, even though silver itself is silvery. This transformation is what makes chemistry so interesting. Let's dive into how compounds are named and represented. When a compound is made from a metal and a nonmetal, the metal's name comes first. For example, in magnesium fluoride, magnesium is the metal and fluoride comes from fluorine. If the nonmetal is oxygen, the compound ends with oxide, like copper oxide. For compounds with nonmetals and oxygen, monoxide means one oxygen atom and dioxide means two, such as carbon monoxide or sulfur dioxide. Chemical formulae show how many atoms of each element are present in a molecule. For instance, H2O means two hydrogen atoms for every oxygen atom. These formulas and names help chemists communicate clearly about substances, no matter where they are in the world. Wrap up, let's review some key terms. An atom is the smallest unit of an element, and an element is a substance made of only one type of atom. A molecule is a group of atoms bonded together, and a compound is a molecule made from different types of atoms. The chemical symbol is the universal shorthand for each element, while the chemical formula tells us the ratio of atoms in a molecule. All these concepts are organized in the periodic table, which groups elements by their properties. Understanding these basics sets the foundation for exploring more complex chemistry topics in the future.